You know, it's no secret. Studies show that prescription drug costs continue to rise and take an even bigger chunk of your money. Mine too. As consumers, we know it's important to look for savings. To help us find those savings when it comes to prescription medications are Jerry Parker and Sean Ori, who are here this morning to talk more about a great savings program called ScriptSave WellRx. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here. Jerry, let me start with you. You know, it's flabbergasting to me to see the cost of prescription medications from 10 years ago to today, and more important, generics. It's crazy.
It is. Drug costs continue to rise day after day, and more medications are not being covered by health insurance. So that means that consumers have to pay out of pocket for their prescriptions.
People like me are shocked. The other day, my daughter was sick, and they prescribed something for her, little throat infection. It was a generic, Sean, okay? I paid $40 for it. I was in shock. Luckily for me, I could afford it. But lots of families out there sometimes just have to go without, and that's really sad.
It's really unfortunate. The way the healthcare market is evolving is that ultimately consumers are taking on more of the financial burden of their healthcare. There are a lot of new plans out there that are called high deductible healthcare plans, where consumers have to pay a lot of money before they get any coverage. Ultimately, our program, ScriptSave WellRx, can help those users to get lower costs on their prescriptions.
So let's talk more about this program that may help out some people out there. What is it?
ScriptSave WellRx. It's not insurance, but it is a comprehensive program that allows people to receive discounts on their prescription drug medications.
Okay.
Up to 75%.
75% off a prescription. I could have maybe had 75% off that prescription medication that I paid $40 for.
Yep, and it works at 62,000 pharmacies across the country.
So how exactly does it work, Sean?
We go out, we negotiate discounts with all of these pharmacies.
Okay.
And it's really a group buy, and we're targeting those people without coverage. So it could be the underinsured, the uninsured, or people with insurance that have drugs that aren't covered. We negotiate with the pharmacy then will provide that discount to our members. So people can access our program on wellrx.com. They can look at prices. Compare them on the site.
Okay.
Then they can print out a savings card or text it to themselves or view it in our mobile applications and take it to the pharmacy and get a discount.
Jerry?
And they can also find a pharmacy. If they don't have a pharmacy, they can also find one. The good thing about ScriptSave WellRx is it's there to empower consumers to make informed decisions about their prescriptions.
And that's important because I think a lot of people feel helpless. They feel like there's no help out there for them, and this will give them a little bit more of that empowerment that they need to get what they need maybe for a child or for themselves.
Exactly.
Now, Sean, I have to ask you this. How on earth are you able to provide these great discounts?
It's through our negotiated network of pharmacies. Ultimately, it's a group buy, and we go to the pharmacies in bulk and we negotiate discounts just like insurance companies do.
So, Jerry, can anyone use this program?
Anyone can use the program. If you want to get access, just go to wellrx.com or download the mobile applications. Also, employers, insurers, associations, and other organizations can offer it to their underinsured, insured, or non-eligible employees and members. It's a great value add because it offers them the opportunity to control their prescription medication costs.
Are there other features that are also beneficial?
Well, besides the savings of up to 75% and average savings at 45%.
And that's a big one.
We will be adding features in the future that help patients with more of the clinical management. There'll be a medicine chest with refill reminders, ask a pharmacist features, and adherence reminders as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the information, and thank you for enlightening me. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And for more information on cutting your costs for prescription medications for your entire family, and get this, yes, even your pet, visit wellrx.com or just go to our website, thebalancingactive.com.